representation करूचे iodine, okay, iodine in presence of red phosphorus. That means it's treated with Bi3 or Br2 means it's treated with BBr. Okay, remember that point. Okay, take one example. Take one example. When propyl alcohol is treated with Br3 in the presence of red phosphorus, what happens when? What happens when propyl alcohol is treated with
Propyl bromide.
Propyl bromide. Very good. Above, these are the method of preparation of alcohol. There are 4 bits, no, 5 bits. 5 bits. Okay. First one is reaction with the anhydrous ZnCl2 and concentrated HCl. Second one is treated with sodium bromide and H2SO4. And next one is HCl5, HCl3, SOCl2, iodine addition or bromine addition in the presence of red phosphorus. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
पढ़ा ना आगू जा टाइम हेनी नेक्स्ट क्लास नेक्स्ट पढ़े ओके स्लो स्लो पढ़े किसी प्रॉब्लम एबे डाउट किसी होनी तो जदि किसी डाउट हो क्लास रे क्लियर करबा ना डोंट वरी ओके सेकंड बिट इज
Yes, sir.
heading derived from alkane. Do you know alkane? Right? What is those words? When alkane means you take methane, is treated with chlorine in the presence of HNO. Who gives? Tell me. Methyl chloride plus HCl. मैं बेजोड़ा करी भी. I already discussed about class 11. Okay. This is the chlorination of alkane. Same thing. Chlorine. Methyl chloride again is treated with chlorine. Who gives? Dichloromethane. Again dichloromethane is treated with chlorine in the presence of HCl. Who gives?
Trichloromethane.
Again trichloromethane is treated with chlorine. Who gives? Carbon tetrachloride. Right?
Trichloromethane.
पाइछना ना आगुरा मेटा.
Yes, sir.
किंतु এই কেস রে এটাকে আমি এক্সিস্ট করিবানি কাই কি না এটি আমার দরকার মনো হালো আলকেন এটি ডাই হালো আলকেন ট্রাই হালো আলকেন টেট্রা হালো আলকেন भी হই যাচ্ছে পলি হালো আলকেন भी হই যাচ্ছে নাই কি তাহলে এটাকে আমি নেবানি এটি প্রিপারেশন নে কিন্তু এটাকে আমি জানিছে in class 12 halogenation of alkane already পড়িছে in the presence of HNO. Why it is used as HNO? Tell me.
Because the reaction is done under sunlight.
It takes place, this mechanism takes place only for free radical mechanism. Okay. The presence of HNO means chlorine takes place free radical mechanism. Okay. Mechanism on achi. Methane is treated with the chlorine in the presence of HNO to give methyl chloride. How to prepare methyl chloride? There are 3 steps. Remember that point? That is initiation step. Initiation. Second one is
Propagation, termination.
Propagation and termination.
propagation. Third one is
Termination.
termination. Initiation, propagation, out termination. Like initiation means at first you take chlorine. In the presence of HNO, it is a homolytic cleavage to gives Cl dot plus Cl dot. This is called termination term. Second point is propagation. You take methane, much pan methane is treated with chlorine free radical. This one is breakdown. EOT electron double, EOT electron double, EOT electron double. Let it come by me. CH3 free radical, methyl free radical plus HCl. Okay. Again, termination. Termination means presence of CH3 dot and a Cl dot. CH3 dot plus Cl dot gives CH3 Cl. Got it? This is called initiation, propagation, and termination.
सर एटा नेक्स्ट क्लास पढ़ेबे आउथरे
नेक्स्ट क्लास रे हमें एक्चुअल पढ़ेबा हायर अल्केन के हम एक्सप्लेनेशन ओके
ओके सर
okay. This alkene takes place theoretical mechanism. The mechanism is six steps: initiation, propagation, and last one is termination. Okay. Let's first discuss about these things. Okay. समझते खुशी तो? Any doubt?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
आओ जय जगन्नाथ रखिता रखुची
Yes, sir.
थैंक यू
Yes.
सर
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you. Very good.